Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your Roku TV. First, prepare your Roku device. Make sure your Roku TV is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone and your Quest 2 headset. You may need to enable screen mirroring. To do this, go to Settings on your Roku. Then go to System, select Screen Mirroring. Choose Screen Mirroring Mode and set it to Prompt or Always Allow. This allows your phone to connect when you try to mirror the screen. Now we will cast the headset view to your phone. Open the Meta Quest app on your phone. In the top right corner, tap the cast icon. It looks like a headset with a Wi-Fi symbol. Select your Quest 2 headset from the list. Make sure the Cast 2 option is set to this phone. Then tap Start. You should now see what your headset sees directly on your phone screen. Next, mirror your phone to your Roku TV. If you are using an Android phone, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Tap Smart View, Cast, or Screen Mirroring depending on your device. Select your Roku TV from the list of available devices. If you are using an iPhone, open the Control Center. Tap the Screen Mirroring icon, which looks like two rectangles. Then select your Roku TV. Your Quest 2 display should now appear on your Roku TV through your phone. Thanks for watching.